Hi guys, what's up? Don't mind me over here looking like a ragamuffin. It's been a day, let alone past few weeks. Been a little bit of challenging. I don't know if you guys saw my post the other day. I said I know that God has a sense of humor, and at this point, I feel like God is making me count my blessings in this storm, and that are the devil's over there in the corner maniacally just laughing at me. So um that being said, I have some new arrivals that we're going to do unboxing. These come straight from the warehouse, and tomorrow I'll do a try on for you and then I'll post pictures. But I was super excited to get these, and I wanted to get this filmed so you guys could see what we have. So box of goodies. Oh, I should have brought something a little better to put these on. Anyway, so I had a special order from a good friend who needed some new jeans. She had lost some weight and wasn't for sure what size she was in, so we ordered her a couple, and these are G Blues. They are the non-distressed skinnies. I know some of you say skinnies are out, but they are not out. I don't think they're ever going to go out. These have high waist. They are very stretchy, and if you've never worn Judy Blues, definitely size down. I do have a pair of these. They're a pair of 7s in the studio. These are skinny fit. So I'll link them on the website as well. ASMR. Let's see here. I do have a couple cardigans. You know, we are getting into the sweater weather. And I'm getting into the prints. A little more color, a little more boho-y. Love this. Love, love, love. This is a large. Oh gosh, I'm trying this thing out and I'm probably making horrible noises with it. This is a large. It does feel like it runs a little bigger. I'm usually a large, but I could have gone down to a medium. It's nice and warm. Stay tuned for it. And a lot of you who are not familiar, I only carry a few things in store now. The rest is online. It is in my warehouse in California, so it's legit for you to order from. But if for some reason something's wrong, you need a different fit, you can return in store. I know some people are kind of leery about that, but it's safe, I promise. This is a cute little, more like business casually sweater. I will try this on tomorrow. I don't want to get it dirty on accident today. So this is available online. These are all available online. And I got this, I think I got this in a large. Where are you? There you are. Yes. So I will try this on tomorrow. This one I'm pretty excited about. It's like that faux satiny, affordable satiny top. And you can dress these up or down, wear them with jeans. I'd even wear them with sweatpants. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. And I love the color. And it's almost like a dolman. dolman sleeve. I was thinking these came small, medium, medium, large. Oh yeah. Very roomy. I was thinking tuck in, front chuck, and some loafers. We'll get this styled better tomorrow. This is a V-neck, should be a V-neck long sleeve. Perfect for fall in the pumpkin patch. Some leggings and some boots. Oh yeah, super cute. Love the print. Looks like it does run a little big because this is a large. We'll try links and things. So we have a kimono. Because, you know, we want to be out sitting by the fire. Look at this. I got it in a large as well. Which I could have gone down, it looks like. Soft and cozy. Last but not least, I mean, I know today it's like 80 degrees, but it's been perfect in the evenings. And I got this in a medium because it does run big. See, nice and big and flowy. I would probably not wear it buttons. Got this in a large. Thinking maybe I should have got it. Or no, I got this in a medium. Super cute. I love the colors. That is it. I feel like I'm missing something, but anyway, we will do styling tomorrow. I'll get these online and so you can get them ordered. Thanks, guys. Bye.